Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality. First, open your passenger side glove box. You'll then need to unhook a small damper arm, usually found on the right side, by pulling it towards you. Next, gently push in the two tabs at the top of the glove box to fully lower it, revealing the filter housing. With the glove box lowered, you'll see a rectangular housing cover, typically secured by two clips or a couple of small Phillips head screws. Release these fasteners by pushing outward on the clips or unscrewing them. Once the cover is open, carefully slide the old cabin air filter straight out of its slot. Be mindful of any debris that might fall out. Before inserting the new filter, take a moment to clean out any leaves or large debris from the housing. Now, grab your new cabin air filter. It will have an arrow indicating the direction of airflow. For most forward edge models, this arrow should point downwards, towards the floor. Carefully slide the new filter into the slot until it is fully seated. Once the new filter is in place, close the housing cover, ensuring all clips or screws are securely fastened. Next, raise the glove box, making sure the top tabs engage correctly. Finally, reattach the damper arm to its original position on the right side of the glove box. Close the glove box, and you're all done. Enjoy your fresh, clean cabin air.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.